Hey guys, it's been a while and welcome back to my channel. And for today, we're going to do, we're looking at some stuff here from Space Jam 2. This is a part of the Happy Meal of McDo here in our country. So I got LeBron and the other character on the left. And for today, just bought one NBA Hoops Megabox here, and we'll break this in a while. So again, we're going to hunt for the slams and the explosions, the green, the numbered one, and the purples. So and of course our mellows and Anthony Edward rookie cards. So before I begin, I would just like to ask for you to watch my videos, like them, and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's make this quick. Let's begin. This is a sealed box, if you can see. Top, left, right box, and bottom. So let's do this. Opening the box here. So we got 18 packs. There you go. Get the middle. And we get the next empty box there. Let's place it on the side. Let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, so they're not balanced. You can see. Normally, it's 9 and 9 on the other side. So let's see what we've got. Let's start with the first 8 here. Just place it with LeBron, and I forgot the name of the other character. It's not Roadrunner. Oh, it's Roadrunner. Can somebody correct me? Here we go for the first pack. Got Marcus Smart. Oh, Marcus Smart Sr., the Marcus pack. Dame, Schroeder, Josh. And for our first insert, it's a purple. We'll see if it's a rookie. It's not a rookie. From the Orlando Magic, Markel Fultz. Our rookies, we've got Aaron Naismith and Obi Toppin. Right. Next, first base, we got Kobe White. Oh, I'll just place Kobe White here. So we got one purple already. We got Marcus Chris, Zach Collins, Bui Hachimura. Place it here. Tyrell Hero, and our insert. Oh, it's Luka Doncic. Vanity plates, base card. We got Tyrese Maxey and another rookie, Desmond Bain. I'll just leave Luka baby. Right, there you go, Luka ball. Right, get the third pack. We get a holo. Looks like we got a holo. Let's see. First base, we got Shake Milton. Terrence Davis, Josh Okogie, Jamal Murray, Kevin Love, and for our insert, it's a purple explosion of jersey swap of Rui Hachimura and Yuta Watanabe. Our rookies would be Cassius Stanley and Ramsey. Right. Third pack. So we got 3 purple already. No. 2 purple already. Alright. So we got Kevin Knox, first base, then Tim Hardaway, and then DeJounte Murray. Sorry, it's not being focused by my camera. We got Kevin Horter. How to pronounce that? We got Fernie Simmons, and our insert, it's a LCA of Klay Thompson. Our rookies, we got Poku and Isaac Okoro. Right? Fourth pack. Okay, we got Drew Holiday, still in the Pelicans. We got Jaylen Brown, Landry Shamet, Miles Bridges, Danilo Gallinari, and our insert, it's a purple explosion. Excuse me. It's not a rookie from Chicago, Chris Dunn. Our rookies, we've got Isaac Stewart and Jordan Nura. This is the 6th pack. Nothing spectacular so far from the hits that we're getting. We got Spicy P, Pascal Siakam, Malik Beasley, Mitchell Robinson. We got Markel Fultz. This is his base card. We got the purple earlier. We got Shai Alexander. And our insert, it's a purple explosion. It's not a rookie. It's from the Boston Celtics, Chris Middleton. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 purple explosions already. And our rookie cards, we got Theo Maledon and Cole Anthony. Excuse me. Next, 7th pack. So nothing special, nothing spectacular, I should say. Let's continue. Got Dwight Powell, Derek Favors. We got Hassan Whiteside, Jonas Veliancos, Dwayne Bacon, and our insert, it's our first slam looks like a LeBron. Yes, there you go, our first LeBron slam, and our first slam for the box, LeBron James. Nice. It's a base. And our rookies will be Josh Green and Killian Hayes. So far we got LeBron slam. Then LeBron James. Oh, let's not leave as well our jersey swap purple explosion. These two second year players might be part of the all-star or becomes superstars sometime in the near future. Alright, I'll place here my slam and other hits. I'll take the 8-pack. So far those are the 3 notable hits that we've got. No top rookies as well. So this is the last pack on the right side. And first base, we got Jamarant base card, Wendell Carter, Julian Brooks, Bogdanovich, Thomas Bryant, and our insert, it's a holo. Looks like a vanity plates of Trae Young. Nice. And then we got Jalen Smith and Denny Adija. So for the first half, actually it's not the first half, but for the first partition, these are the hits that we've got so far. I'll sleeves the rookie after the break, so we won't take that much time in opening these packs. Alright, let's continue for the next set. This is the 9th pack. We got base of Trae Young. Alfred Payton, Alex Caruso, Jimmy Butler, Will Barton, and for our insert, it's a purple explosion. It's not a rookie, it's Shai Alexander. So how many explosions do we have? One holo, one, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably 5 to 6 holo explosions we have. Our rookies, Okongu and Saben Lee. We don't have LaMelo yet, and Weissman, as well as Anthony Edwards. The top rookies are not yet appearing, not yet showing. So let's continue. We got Levert, Ben Simmons, Andre Drummond, Looney Walker the fourth. What's this? The Andre Ayton, and our insert, it's a holo of arriving now of Devin Vassell. Not bad. Our rookies, we got the wrong Timberwolves, Jaden McDaniel, and let's see if this is the correct one. Looks like not. It's Vernon Curry. Both wrong players for both teams. So we got holo and purple combined, 6 to 7 already. This is a good player, Devin Vassell. Right, let's go to the official second half. This is the 10th pack. So far, only good hit that I like is the slam off for LBJ, one of our PCs. So let's continue. We got Mark Gasol, we got Russell Westbrook, we got D'Angelo Russell, we got Melo, we got Devontae Graham, our insert, we got Purple Explosion. It's not, it's an RC from the Golden State Warriors. Let's see. It's a green. It's a green explosion of Nico Mannion. Okay, not bad. Our rookies, we got Zeke, Najee, and James Wiseman. Oh, very unfortunate. If this becomes the number one, then we get something spectacular. But yeah, still good. Box or pack. Just leaves them and top load them as well. I'm not sure if Nico Mannion is doing good or did good last season. I have no idea of his performance. So we got one of the top rookies, James Wiseman, and we got our first green explosion numbered card, rookie card of Nico Mannion. Right. Nice green explosion. Let's put it here. Right, 11th pack. We get Randall, we got Zion Base, we got Steve Adams, we got Jaren Jackson, Joe Ingles, our insert 20 plates of Jason Tatum based. We got Kira Lewis, and our next rookie, Precious Achua. I'll just upload Zion. This is a good one. This is a good player and has a lot of potentials. It needs to be healthy all the time. Yeah, being healthy all the time, not for only for him, but for all other players and athletes. Alright guys, let's continue. 12 pack. Opening the 12 pack here. For our first base, we got Brook Lopez, we got Willie Killenstein, RJ Barry, Davis Bertans, Bam Adebayo, and our insert, Andrew Wiggins, Purple Explosion, Leandro Balmaro, and Tyrell Terry for the rookies. Next, we got Markieff Morris, we got KD base, we got Michael Porter Jr. base, Colin Sexton, we got Marvin Bagley III in our insert, looks like a slam base card, and see. Oh, it's Tracy McGrady. Alright, this is our second Tracy McGrady slam card. Oh, I think the first one is a winter edition. So this is our first NBA Hoops based slam for T-Mac. We got RJ Hampton and Nick Richards for the last rookie for the pack. I just started my big slam hit. So I think hopefully we still have one more slam. Normally there are 2 to 3 slams per box. Mostly there are 2 to 3 box. Based on the other breaks that I've watched before. And based on my breaks as well. Yes, sir. I put him below LeBron James. Alright, let's continue. Josh Richardson, Ojanobi, Robert Covington, Cameron Johnson, TJ Warren, and our insert, Purple Explosion, it's not a rookie, Hassan Whiteside. Our rookies, Kenyon Martin, and Jazz rookie, who's that? Elijah Yodge. We got 3 more packs left. Looks like we need some big hits on these 3 packs so we can conclude that this box is a good one. Let's go. So our first base, Jared Culver, we got Frank Delicina, Cod Seller, Darius Basley, CJ McCollum, and our insert, it's LCA base of the Claw, Kawhi Leonard. Our rookies, we got CJ Albay and what's this? Skylar Mace. So no top rookies yet aside from James Wiseman, and we only got 2 packs here. So let's complete the break. It's not looking good so far, guys. So we get another explosion, looks like. So we have Montrezl Harrell, we got Eric Bledsoe, Zach LaVine, Donovan Mitchell, we got John Wall, and our insert, Purple Explosion of, looks like a slam. Let's see. Oh, slam. Purple Explosion, Anthony Davis, not bad. So, is this what we're waiting for? Let's see. Our rookies, we've got Peyton Pritchard and Patrick Williams. So we got our third slam of the box. So far, aside from LBJ, this is the better hit. Slam of KD, AD, slam, Purple Explosion. Oh, and he's not let a Laker here. Yeah, because this is a slam. Was issued last, it's not deleted here, August 2022. Oh, August 2012 slam. Right? Not bad. And for our last pack, we hope we can get some cup rookies, our Mellow, our Weissman, and another good insert. We got Eric Pascal, Danny Green, Matthew De La Denova, Kirk White, Derrick Rose, the Derrick Pack, and our insert, we've got the Purple Explosion of a rookie from the Minnesota Timberwolves. Let's see. Oh, it's Leandro Bolmaro. Thought it's a Wiseman. And our rookie card, we got Sadiq Bey again. And Timber. It's from Mavericks, I believe. Tyler Bay. Oh. So we got some explosions for the rookies and numbered card for the rookie. Nico Mannion. If you do good this season or next season, then probably this box becomes a good one. But other than that, we get also the slam for LeBron James. It's a personal collection for that one. Right. So we'll count the purple explosions that we've got. We got Hassan Whiteside. We got Andrew Wiggins. We got Shai Alexander. We got Chris Middleton, Chris Dunn, and Market Fultz. How many is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 explosions for the base cards. And then the other hits, we've got Piece of Zion. We got this numbered card for the Nico Mannion. We got this purple explosion for Rui Hachimura and Yuta Watanabe. So this is the 7th explosion. We got an RC explosion purple of Leonardo Barbomo. This is the 8th. We got Anthony Davis slam purple explosion. This is the 9th. We got James Wiseman. We got a holo of Devin Vassell and Trae Young vanity plates. We got Luka base vanity plates. So we got around 12 numbered holo and explosions in this pack. Then our other slams for Tracy McGrady and LeBron James. So there are no top rookies aside from James Wiseman and the base cards are normally good, but the inserts are not that good compared to the other breaks that we've got. So guys, that's what we've got for this break of the Megabox NBA Hoops. So we'll be ending the video so we can sleeve the other cards and protect them from getting damaged. So I hope that those rookie cards with explosions that we've got will perform better and be part of superstars in the near future. So again, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thanks for watching, guys. See you again next time. Bye bye.